for this episode, dahil alam naman namin, Eliza, na mahilig ka kumain at ang paborito mo ay frozen brazo, we will be having a frozen brazo challenge.
This is not a challenge.
Oh, wow!
Really? Really? Let's see, ah.
Sige, malalaman natin. Alright.
Kinakabahan ako.
Mark Santino, kindly
Bring it in.
Bring it in. Guys, nga pala ang ating very hard-working writer from ABS-CBN Sports in Action, Mark Escarlote, and of course, Santino Honasan.
Say hi.
And of course, the frozen brazo, ang paborito ni Eliza Valdez. Wow, ang dami nito.
So you think hindi siya challenge?
Oo nga, pero sabi ko naman, I love frozen brazo. Pero one at a time.
Yes, better din binagoongan.
Wow.
Is it?
Oh my God, nagutom ako.
So ang mangyayari dito, you're gonna have to eat all these.
All?
Under a minute. No, under a minute.
Yes.
But if you don't get to finish all of it, you're gonna answer some very difficult questions.
Very difficult questions. Kasi mapapaisip ka talaga.
Ayoko to, 1 minute. Time it.
So for every brazo that you don't finish,
Oh my gosh.
yun yung
Number
of questions na tatanungin namin.
Wow.
So kung gusto mo kumain na 10, okay
Guys,
lang
parang
yun.
naka-ready na yung 5 questions nila dito.
Oo naman! Ready kami for you. Ikaw ba ready for the brazo?
Ready ako, pero parang yung braso hindi ready sa akin.
So, sisimulan ko na ito. The timer. 1 minute. Eliza Valdez and the frozen brazo challenge on down the line.
Mukha bang realistic na mo? Grabe dito ah.
Eliza, are you ready?
Ready eh.
Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Walang music.
Oo nga.
Oh my God.
Yung song na, baboy. Besh, isipin mo yung mga questions na sasagutan mo. Kung hindi mo naubos yan.
20 seconds in. You have 40 seconds more, Eliza.
Oh my God. Nakakatulog mo na ako. Gusto ko dalawa.
Guys, wala pa tayong panulak dyan.
One down.
Walang tubig.
In fairness, hindi na niya niluya.
Tubig.
Yun guys,
10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop.
So, after a minute of intense eating, Eliza Valdez, Khalid.
After a minute, isa lang pong baso ng tubig.
Khalid, just 1.5. No, that doesn't count. You have to finish it. Besh?
Friends
So, braso, 1. Eliza, 0.
Grabe!
So, we're gonna be asking you 4 questions.
Yes. Paano magmahal sa boyfriend
Nasakit talaga ako.
ang isang Eliza Valdez?
Very specific ka.
Si Dan-
Boyfriend.
Yes, boyfriend.
Si Dan pa yung nag-isip?
Oh, yan.
Sino nag-isip na nung
Si Dan talaga ang mastermind,
Sino
actually.
nag-isip? Sir TJ, ikaw po ba nag-isip nung
Mas mahirap ang tanong ko ah.
Wow!
Geometry.
Ano ba yan?
Don't worry, wala naman time pressure to.
Oo nga, sige. Hanggang mamaya tayo dito, wala ko ng time. Hindi ko rin alam kung paano. Siguro, sa amin, hindi, sa athletes or sa athletes katulad namin, I think time is really precious kasi wala ka rin masyadong time. So, if we give our time and effort to someone, siguro that's how we show na we care for them. Ayun.
Okay. Question number 2.
Sige na nga lang. 1 minute ulit.
Okay, if you were to rate your performance as a host
Yun.
nung cheer
Gusto ko
dance
malaman to.
competition.
Bakit ako mabilis?
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself?
As a host.
As a host.
Ano ba yan? Siyempre mga 11. Hindi, honestly, Nico and Gretchen, super hinelp lang nila ako kung para dun sa buong event talaga. So I really enjoyed the event. And
Then I want you to ask the next one because I want to ask the last one.
Okay.
kakatakot si Anton ko. Bakit ba ako yung...
So, eto. There have been reports na si Coach Tai, it will be his last year coaching for the UAAP with Ateneo. How do you feel?
Very sad. But siguro he has his reason also kung bakit niya gagawin yan. But definitely, Coach Tai helped Ateneo, not only Ateneo, but the whole volleyball community naman. Kung ano tayo ngayon din. So, it would be not only for our part na players niya, but definitely for the whole volleyball community. But, syempre, kung mangyayari man yon, we will understand him naman and may reason naman kung bakit mangyayari yan.
Last question. Since you're done with your UAAP career, 2 championships, 3 MVPs, sa Ateneo, Liza, sino yung teammate na pinaka mamimiss mo?
Choose wisely, ah.
Sino yung teammate na pinaka-miss ko? Ang hirap ng question niya.
Ang hirap kasi nandito ako.
Diba? Sobrang hirap sagutin. Well, definitely, hindi lang isa. Definitely lahat naman mamimiss ko. Pero syempre special part pa din, may special part talaga sa puso namin isa't isa. Yung team best talaga. Kasi iba pa rin. But definitely, mamiss ko yung mga bata. Alam mo yun, iba rin kasi iba yung mga bata, pero iba din talaga yung samahan nung batch talaga. And namimiss na namin nga yung isa't isa kahit lagi kami nakikita. Alam mo yung feeling, iba din pag naglalaro kayo together inside the court talaga.
Well, specifically, ano ang mamimiss mo kay Denise Lazaro?
Ay, si Dan,
Yes.
sasabihin niya lang palagi sa akin, paluin mo lang, nandito lang ako sa likod. As in, yun lang yung line niya. Ako bahala sa'yo. Ganun lang siya. Ever since, kahit nung rookie ako, the second playing year niya na din. So, ganun lang siya. So, alam mo yun, yung teammates mo din talaga, yung magbibigay sa'yo ng confidence para mag-fight ka sa every game.
Well, napakataas nga ng confidence level mo. You took on the Frozen Brazo Challenge. Thank you very much for the time. Thank you very much, Eliza, for being so game. And good luck sa Thailand. Do you have